I'm studying diploma in leadership and management, and in this course, I love most is especially my trainer, which is really good. She's really thorough with the thing. She knows everything, and it's really practical. It's practical in terms of what currently industries are using, like from writing an email, because we guys are coming from an unorganized sector and we don't know how the management sector works. So in this case, they are teaching us how to even write a simple email which can get your things done like a professional good email, and learning all the things, how to make a project, how to assess the risk, the managing risk, and customer service things, which are the topics in my course, and which has been really helpful. It's a lot of practical knowledge, and which will, it's like if you read books, you'll tend to forget these things after a few days, but when you do something practically, like a project, like an assignment, you never forget these things. So it's like a lifelong learning which I'm taking.